Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to make an easy low poly car in Blender 2.0. So first, don't delete the default cube and resize it until it looks like a car. We just increase the width. Okay, that's perfect. Now let's go to edit mode. Now we should add two loop cuts. So press Ctrl R, add one loop cut and add another loop cut. Okay, that is fine. Now select the face and press E and extrude it and press S to scale it a little bit. Okay, that is perfect. Now it almost looks like a car. Now we should add some wheels, so let's do it. Now go to edit mode, object mode, then go to mesh, then add one cylinder, rotate it 90 degrees and bring it outside and rotate 90 degrees as it looks like a wheel of a car. Now just bring it to the position where you like, where the wheels come. Okay, that may be perfect. Now smooth and resize. That's your option. You can place it where you want. And I'm just gonna duplicate it and make the back wheel. Okay. Now just move it in. Now just scale it down. Select both of them and scale. Okay, that's perfect. It looks like a tire almost. Bring it inside. Yeah. Now it is pretty looking like a car. Now add boolean tool. Select the cylinder first, then select the body of the car and press objects and select boolean tool and press difference. Now we will have a part where we can place our wheel. Do same with the back tire. Select the cylinder first, then select the body. You should select it in the correct order. Okay. If you don't have this boolean tool, just go to the preferences and enable the boolean tool. Okay. Now select. Sorry, we should mirror the tire. We should add a mirror modifier. Select, touch on the body. So we'll have a tire on the other side. Do with the both tires, front and back, and the mirror modifier. Touch on the body of the car. Okay, that's perfect. Now first select the cylinder, then select the body. Go to objects and boolean tool and set difference. Do the same with the back tire. Okay, now we have to place our wheels. Now just we should add 4 wheels to the car. So again go to the add to the mesh and add a cylinder which will be the tire of a car or the wheel of the car. So rotate it 90 degrees, bring it down and place it inside that cut we have made before. Bring it, enable the X-ray mode so we can see where we can place the wheel. Okay, just move it a little bit, bring it down. Now just decrease the size a little bit. Okay, that's perfect. Now we should duplicate it. First we should resize it a little bit. Resize until it looks like a tire. Move it inwards, resize and bring it inside the space we had made before. Okay, that's good. Now we have our wheel set. Go to object. Now we should use the mirror modifier, and so then we'll get another tire on the other side. Do the same with the back tire. Just duplicate, press shift and duplicate, shift D and duplicate, and press right click so it is placed in the same angle. Now bring it on the back side. Okay, place it. Okay, that now looks like a car. We are almost finished. Now we have to do the mirrors, etc. So let's go to edit mode. Press Ctrl R and add 2 loop cuts. Press right click, then the loop cuts will be placed in the middle. Now resize the loop cut. Okay, that will be good. Okay, that's perfect. Now select the faces, go to the face mode, then select the 4 faces. No, sorry, not 4, 6 faces, which will be the mirrors, of course. Now press I. Oh sorry, first we should apply all the transforms. So press Ctrl A and apply all the transforms. Now select all the mirror, all the 6 sides. Now select all the 4 sides, resize, press I and bring it inwards a little bit. Now select the front and back faces and do the same, press I and bring it. Okay, there. Okay, that's fine. Now we have got the mirrors, but it's not looking like a mirror. We should press it a little bit inside. So first press Ctrl E and select extrude around faces, and first we should select all the mirrors and press shift E and Ctrl E, extrude around faces, then press E and S and bring it inwards a little bit. Okay, that's fine. Now it looks like a mirror. We are almost done with the body of a car. Now we should make the wheels a little more real. So select the wheel do the same, press I and bring it inwards. Okay, now press E and bring it inwards a little bit. Then again press I, press shift and I so we can smoothly size it. Shift I. Okay, that's nice. Okay, now press T and bring it outwards. Okay, that looks fine. Now it looks like a wheel of a car. We are not going for that real car, it's just a low poly car, so it's fine. So it is easy to delete the back tire and just shift and duplicate it into the back side. Okay, place it. Okay, that's fine. Now we are almost done. The car looks pretty good. Now we should add some indicators or some headlights for the car. So first we should add a cube, bring it to the front. Okay, reduce the size. Okay, that's fine. Scale it. Yeah, it's your scale it until it looks like a light or something. You can do whatever you want with the modification of the car. It's now shift duplicate. I'm going to make two indicators or two headlights. Just scaling it down, bringing it to the top. Okay, that looks like a headlight for me. You can do whatever you like with the front part. Okay, now go to the modifier, add a mirror modifier and select the body. Okay, that's fine. Now our car is almost finished. I'm going to delete this middle part, it's not looking good, so now the car is perfect. Now we should add bumper, that bumper thing to the car. So go to the front, add a loop cut. Okay, that's fine. It looks like a bumper now. We should extrude that face little bit to the front so we feel that bulkiness, or it is just bulk to the front. Okay, that looks fine. Now do the same with the back side. Press Ctrl R and add a loop cut. Okay, now bring it down down a little bit, extrude it outwards. Make sure you select the face mode and extrude outwards. Now it's almost looking good. The car is looking perfect. Now our car is almost finished and I'm going to show how to do the coloring of the car in the next video. So stay tuned for the second part. That's all. Thank you.